Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about that class 7 exercise. What is that? To find 4 children. Children, in a previous class we discussed about that exercise to find 3. Now we want to discuss about that to find 4. What is that question? Is question number 1. Find. So want to discuss about the 12 divided by 3 by 4 and 14 divided by 5 by 6 and 8 divided by 7 by 3 and 1 is 4 divided by 8 by 3. Okay, children, now we want to discuss about that this one. So see, children, find 2 divided by 3 by 4 means write 2 as it is. It is 3 by 4, you want to take reciprocal. 4 by 3, you want to multiple children. 8 by 3. And here also 14 5 by 6. 14 write as it is into, this is the reciprocal means 5 by 6. Correct, children? Children, now we want to take here, how we can write then also 84. 14 6 the 84 by 5. Okay, children, then also we want to this one convert then also mixed fraction. How we can take this one also? We want to divide 5. Okay, children, 5 1 is 5 and 34 is there. 5 6 is 30. Correct, children? Now we want to take here 4. How we can represent this one? Then also 16 4 by 5. So children, here also 8 7 by 3. You want to multiply this one. 8 into means this is also reciprocal 3 by 7. This is also 24 by 7. So children, now we want to take this one also 4 by 8. So divided by 8 by 3 is 4 into 8 by 3. So 3 by 8. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. It is equal to 3 by 2. You can understand, children? Okay. Good, children. Children, you want to take one more there also. Remaining 2 sums is there in this mind. What is that? Sums. You can carefully observe, children. Okay. What we can take this one also. Fifth one is 3 divided by 2 1 by 3 means. So here mixed fraction is there. You want to convert fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Children, 3. Want to reciprocal it. So 6 by 7. Children, now you want to take sixth one is 5 divided by 3 by 4. 5 8 you want to reciprocal it means. So 5 4 is 20 by 3. Correct, children, you want to convert your mixed fraction is 2 6 3 6 8. Correct. 6 2 by 3. This is also what, children. Next you want to go to second mind. What is that second mind? Very simple. Correct, children. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the following reciprocals as proper fractions and improper fractions and whole numbers. We want to represent, children, what is that second one. Okay. So children, reciprocal it. 3 by 7, 5 by 8, okay, and 9 by 7, and 6 by 5, and 12 by 7. 12 by. Okay, children, you can carefully observe. Remaining also is there, sixth one. What we can take that one also. Fifth one is over, and the sixth one also 1 by 8, and the seventh one also. So what we can take 1 by 11. Okay, children. This are all we want to represent. How we can represent? Reciprocal means 7 by 3. So is what we can take. This one also numerator is great means then also more means that we want to take, that is also improper. Okay, children. It's very simple question. You want to represent that the numerator is greater, denominator is small, means that is want to represent improper fraction. Here also numerator you want to reciprocal is first 8 by 5. Numerator is more, means you want to write improper. Reciprocal 7 by 9. Numerator is less, that's why it is proper. You also write here 5 by 6. Numerator is small, that's why you want to represent this as a proper. Childrens, now you want to take 12 by 7. You this one also want to reciprocate 7 by 12. This is also proper. Childrens, now you want to take reciprocal 8 by 11. So it is also 8 by 11. 8 by 1 means what we can take? This is whole number. Children, 1 by 11, it is reciprocal, it means then also 11. It is also whole number. Correct, children? Children, now we want to go to take the third question. That is third one. What we can represent? Very simple question. Okay, children. Children, what is the third question we want to take? Very simple. Third one. First, find this one also. 7 by 3 divided by 2 and 4 by 9 divided by 5, 6 by 30 divided by 7, and fourth one is 4 1 by 3 divided by 3, and fifth one is 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So children, you want to take this one 7 by 3 into means it is reciprocate. So 7 by 6. Here also 4 by 9 into means 1 by 5. It is equal to 4 by 45. 4 1 are 4 and 9 5 are 45. Here also 6 by 13 into means you want to reciprocate 1 by 7 and 61 is 16. Correct, children? Children, this one also 73 is 13 7 is 91. Mixed fraction is there, you want to convert fraction. 4 3 are 12 plus 1 is 13 by 3 into so 1 by 3. Want to multiple here 13 by 9. 3 3 are 13 1 is 30, 3 3 is 9. Children, here also mixed fraction is there. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. You want to convert first fraction. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 into so 1 by 2. Correct, children? We can represent here also 7 by 3. Very simple question. Children, now we want to take fourth one. Okay. Shall I rub this one? Okay, thank you. Now we want to go to fourth one. Children, very simple. So fourth one, find this one also. Same like that only. So 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 and 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Third one is 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. Children, now you want to take again also 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. On the fifth one also, what we can represent 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. And the sixth one also, children, now you want to take what we can represent 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. You want to convert this in children's, what we can represent. So write 2 by 5. This is reciprocal, means 2 by 1. It is equal to 4 by 5. Here also children, how you can represent 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are is equal to 6 by 9. Or then also 3 twos are 3 threes are. So children, here also how you can represent 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. 7 7 cancel, it is equal to 3 by 8. Correct children? Children, now you want to represent your mixed fraction is there, you want to convert fraction. So 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3 into 5 by 3. So 35 by 9. And again also children here 3 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3 into 3 by 8. This 3 3 we cancel, it is equal to 7 by 8. Children, here also you want to represent, then also 2 by 5 is there. Next, this is into means 2 1 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So you want to multiply 6 by 10. So you want to reduce children this one also. 2 3 is 2 5. 3 by 5. Any doubt children? Okay children. So this exercise also complete children. Tomorrow you want to continue of the next exercise. Okay children. Thank you children. We want to meet tomorrow. Thank you children.